Hello guys, welcome to our channel Programmer King. How are you? I hope that you are healthy and fine. Now in this video, this is sixth tutorial of Java. So in this video, I am going to tell you about operators, and it is a full part that I am starting. Um, First operator I will discuss are arithmetic operator. Now let's discuss about types of operators first. Now um, I will make it comment first line and right here types operator. Now these are simple arithmetic, assignment, logical, and fourth I think comparison. Now arithmetic operators I will discuss first, and then assignment, then logical, then comparison. So let's start the video. Let's discuss about arithmetic operators first. Again, comment arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators are plus, comma minus, comma multiply, comma divide, and modulo. This percentage is not percentage in coding. It is called modulo. Now let's understand the work of all types of operators came under arithmetic. So first I will make a data type int and a variable a, and assign 5 value to it, another variable int and b, and I will assign 6 value to it. Now I will make a third variable. I will assign integer data type in named c. Now I will assign here values that contains operators. Now these are simple. You have to write here 5 plus 6. It's a common form, but to use operator, simply write here a plus b semicolon. Now write here system dot out dot println c. So it is the first operator we have used named plus. So I will write here addition. So let's run it. I think one error will occur. Yes, I have to write here capital S. Now no error will occur and it was print 11. Now let's discuss about another operator which is minus. I will make here no another data type. I will write here simply minus instead of plus, and write here subtraction or elimination. Now let's understand this phenomena. Now a minus b, value assigned to a is 5, value assigned to b is 6, so the required answer will be -1. Let's run it and see if I write, and I am right. Now let's understand third operator which is multiplication operator. I can say multiply. Okay, it is called asterisk. Remember the name because it may help you in higher courses. Now asterisk, this star symbol is called asterisk, and I will replace it with asterisk and right here a into b is equal to, let's put the values, 5 into 6. Now answer will be 30. Okay, let's run it and 30 will be printed. Now let's understand division operator. Now when I put here divide, division, now divide, an error will occur when I run it because I am dividing 6 by 5. Quickly let's open calculator and see what happens. 5 divided by 6. Now you can see in a decimal, but it will not come in decimal. Why? Because the integer variable always prints a integer value and gets a integer value, or I can say store an integer value. It cannot store decimal value. So 5 divided by 6 will be 0, but error may occur. Let's see what happens. 0 as printed. Why 0 as printed? Because 5 is small number and 6 is large number. We are dividing a by b, means 5 by 6. We are dividing small number by large number. Okay, so it can't be divided and it will print 0. Now let's move on modulo. Okay, it is simple. Modulo, I will write here percent. A modulo b is equal to now 5 modulo 6. Now what is modulo operator? This operator gives remainder of a division. Okay, understood? It will give remainder of the division 0 because 5 and 5 can't be divided by 6, so no remainder will remain because it is integer. Okay, oh 5. Now let's understand why 5 is printed. I was wrong. Now why 5 was printed? When I how can I teach you, tell you about it? Now let's say 5 is an integer and it is divided by 6. Now when I 1 second. Now 5 6. Now here when I divided by 1 6. Now 5 is smaller than 6, so I can't do it. Okay, 1 second, wait, let me delete it now. So 5 will remain. Okay, um one more thing, when I divided 6, sorry, now here 0, when I 0 multiplied 6 is equal to 0, and when I minus it, then 5 will print it. So 5 is the remainder. Okay, now let's combine them all. How can it be done? um, Plus d is sorry o d is equal to a minus b int e int f int g is equal to is equal to is equal to ab ab ab. Now simply write semicolon everywhere. I will write here asterisk divide modulo. Now um, to print multiple statements in single line in Java, you have to simply put here plus and d plus e plus f plus g. Okay, only g, up to g are available. Oh, one error will occur. Everything was printed. I have to put here inverted commas in order to now everything will be separated. But increase, guys, let me copy it. Copy and paste, paste and paste. D E F G. Now it will be run. It will run successfully. Everything is written. Now when I ran it earlier, first time it had printed everything. Second time it had printed everything um, in the combined form, so that you can understand that easily. So I printed them in next line. Thanks for watching. Enough for this video. Subscribe the video and watch full video, please. And your support is everything for us. Thanks.